students, today we are going to learn types of sentences. To start this lesson, at first we have to understand what is meaning of the sentence. When we structure one or more than one words and we make one sentence and it should be meaningful, then we call it as a sentence. So in the sentence, there are four types of sentences. First one is assertive sentences, second one is interrogative sentences, third one is imperative sentences, and fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So in the first type of sentences, we have to or we should remember in the assertive sentences that it is related with one statement. When in the any sentence which seems as a statement, then it is called as assertive sentence or declarative sentence. ज्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण असं म्हणतो की ज्यावेळी असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्सचा अर्थ मराठीमध्ये असा होतो की विधानार्थी वाक्य. ज्यावेळी आपण एखादं विधान केलेलं असतं त्यावेळी त्या डिक्लरेशनला आपण असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स असं म्हणत असतो. हे आयडेंटिफाय करत असताना तुम्ही ज्या वाक्याच्या शेवटी फुल स्टॉप आहे असं वाक्य तुम्ही असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स म्हणून रिमेंबर करू शकता. तसंच दुसरा टाइप आहे इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स. इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स मध्ये there are actually two types in the interrogative sentences. One is SNO type questions and second is WH questions. Interrogative sentence चा मराठीमध्ये अर्थ होतो की प्रश्नार्थी वाक्य. So you can see this, look to the example. What is your name? And last question mark. When in the any sentence there is a question mark, then you can remember or identify the sentence as interrogative sentences. But you should remember the spelling of these assertive and interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Don't confuse between the fours. In interrogative sentence, there should be question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, in the SNO type question, there is, when we read the question, we got the answer as yes or no, then it is called as S or no, SNO type question. And when the sentence starts from the WH word, then it is known as WH question. So these are two another types in interrogative sentence. In the third type, which is imperative sentence, in the imperative sentence it represent or actually it is used to expressing any order. So here we can see, look, close the window properly. So it is connected with the order. Therefore in the imperative sentences order is given. So the sentences which are used in the imperative sentence are so much connected with the order. Imperative sentence ला मराठीमध्ये म्हटलं जातं की आज्ञार्थी वाक्य. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी एखादी आज्ञा दिली जाते त्यावेळी अशा प्रकारचे सेंटेन्स जे बनवले जातात ते imperative सेंटेन्स मध्ये येत असतात, ज्यालाच आपण आज्ञार्थी वाक्य म्हणतो. ज्यावेळी आज्ञा दिली जाते त्यावेळी जे सेंटेन्स प्रिपेअर होतं त्यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं, imperative sentence. So the last type of the sentence is exclamatory sentence. So in the exclamatory sentence, something it is related to express our emotions, our feelings. So it is again related with our emotions. So look at the sentence. What an exciting match it was. याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात की उद्गारार्थी वाक्य. ज्यावेळी एखादी इमोशन व्यक्त करण्यासाठी आपण उद्गार काढत असतो आणि त्या वाक्याच्या शेवटी एक्सक्लेमेशनचं साइन असते, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सिम्बॉल असतं, त्यावेळी त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, exclamatory sentence म्हटलं जातं. So it is very easy to remember the types of sentences, or it is very easy to identify which sentence is from which type. So assertive sentence means विधानार्थी वाक्य, interrogative sentence म्हणजे प्रश्नार्थी वाक्य, imperative sentence म्हणजे आज्ञार्थी वाक्य आणि exclamatory sentence म्हणजे उद्गारार्थी वाक्य. ज्या सेंटेन्सच्या शेवटी फुल स्टॉप असतो त्याला असर्टिव्ह किंवा डिक्लेरेटिव्ह म्हटलं जातं. ज्या सेंटेन्सच्या शेवटी क्वेश्चन मार्क असतो त्याला इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स म्हटलं जातं. ज्या सेंटेन्समध्ये ऑर्डर दिली जाते त्याला इम्परेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स म्हटलं जातं आणि ज्या सेंटेन्सच्या शेवटी एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क असतं त्याला एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स म्हटलं जातं. सो दीज आर द फोर बेसिक टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस. I hope you can understand or identify the different types of sentences. So thank you.